So hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to record for free your PC screen or whatever. So you can go to the iSpringSolutions.com, you enter your email and you go on free download. I already got it, so I just take this. Yeah, I guess right. So you install it, you get in here, you open it, and then you gotta accept everything, then go install, and I'll click on it. I have it already, but whatever. Let me show you. Right, like this. So we got to, so you got to agree everything. You got to agree everything, and then you can just record the screen. You can also upload it on YouTube, and yeah, that's all. Bye. And be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content and tips like this. Bye.